In recent years, many overseas cross-border e-commerce brands are facing problems such as abuse, copyright piracy, and trademark registration. In the age of the Internet, it is easier for people to take advantage of a company's desirability and popularity. So it is imperative for a company to implement brand protection to secure its hard-earned reputation. Brand protection is to protect the intellectual property rights of the company. With the help of brand protection services, overseas IP agents can better follow the process. Brand owners first collect online data through web crawlers. With the help of proxy IPs in order to avoid anti-crawling measures on websites. In general, web crawlers use residential proxies for rotation to ensure the behavior mimics normal customer browsing, to ensure comprehensive data collection. With the help of proxy IP, brands can masquerade as normal users to detect and scan unusual websites without the risk of IP bans, blacklists, or flagging. Finally, I recommend Piaproxy to everyone. Those who need it can learn about it by themselves.